For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a column chart using data from the CIA Factbook. So in order to get a good idea of what you're supposed to do, I would zoom in. From there, look at the instructions. Fill out the data and create a column chart showing population in Asia. So I have the countries listed here, and what you should do is use the CIA Factbook to record the population here. Once you have the population recorded, just like that, you're going to want to click Insert, Chart, and Column. What this will do is insert a generic chart into your document. From there, you're going to want to click this down arrow and click Open Source. This is going to take you to the generic Google Sheet that is going to be connected to your chart. Now, you don't want to make this generic anymore. Instead, you want to fill it with your data. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. First, I would go back into your Create Population Chart and zoom out. Then I would highlight the whole table, Control C, go into your generic Google Sheets, and then delete this data here. You don't need it. Click in A1, Control and V, hold that down, and you have now transplanted your data from your activity packet into this Google Sheet. You can move your chart up here anywhere you want so you can clearly see it. Now, we're going to do some editing on this chart here. Now, the title of the chart isn't point scored. It is Population Statistics Asia 2020. From there, you can highlight the title, you can click this 3 dots and hit Edit Chart, and you can edit a variety of different things by clicking on the chart. So I'm going to click on the title, and I can change that to Sans Serif. I can increase the size if I want. I can change it to be black. I can also make it centered. From there, I can also change the color of the table. I can click it black and everything's black. So from there, I can click on the hash marks or click Edit Chart. Click on the hash marks. You see how they get highlighted for the grid lines. And I can say, you know what, I really want to have a little bit more lines and indicators there. And I want them to be visible, so I'm going to make them black. I also want to have it bigger or smaller. I can also click on individual, like that. See how I double clicked on Pakistan and change the color line. So if I want to change all of South Asia to be red, I can do that. There, I have changed the color of the different regions by coloring South Asia red, East Asia blue, and Southeast Asia in a green color. And I've done that by double clicking on the individual lines and then changing the color when it comes to Format Data Point. From there, you can go back into your chart, hit Update, and there you have all of your data all laid out for you. You can hit Zoom in and then see it a little bit clearer. If, again, you see anything that glaringly does not match up or does not look good, for example, when I saw that extra space in India right there, then make sure that you go and fix those things. Hope this helped.